here at Porth Tower, just having a quick look at the sea cliffs here. Notice how they stand strong and vertical. We're talking about sort of 30 to 40 metres high here. Some fantastic sea cliffs there. But they're made of metamorphic sandstone and metamorphic mudstone. And as a consequence, they are incredibly strong rock. The undercut at the base there is almost certainly due to wave action, but it must be incredibly rare for waves to get up to sort of 40 metres at the top. There's no vegetation at the top though, which would suggest that there are still waves that reach that high, but far rarer. And you can see that there are these vertical joint sets as we go back, which are probably pressure relief joint sets. Because when these rocks were formed, obviously there would have been further rock this side, putting confining pressure, but of course that rock has now been eroded away, and therefore there's nothing pushing on that side of the cliff, and the natural forces are causing the rock just to split apart there in these vertical joint sets. And eventually that'll be what causes this cliff to fail. Eventually enough water will get into one of those joint sets that it will pop open, perhaps some ice will form in there or something like that. Perhaps some waves will be forced in there at pressure and force that joint set open. And then eventually you'll lose a big chunk of this cliff. Perhaps it'll recede by 10, 15, 20, possibly even 25 metres in one go. And all of that rock will end up as material down on the beach. And there are lots of examples here at Porth Tower where that has occurred in the past. If you've not been here, come and have a look at these fantastic cliffs, they're absolutely superb.